Household vocabulary. Conventional oven. Food processor. Mixer. Hair dryer. Rice cooker. Steam iron. Toaster oven. Yogurt maker. Espresso machine. Electric kettle. Slow cooker. Body scale. Pressure cooker. Air fryer. Juicer. Sandwich maker. Deep fryer. Waffle maker. Bread maker. Ice cream maker. Popcorn maker. Electric grill. Range hood. Induction cooktop. Electric stove. Soda maker. Clothes dryer. Garment steamer. Carpet cleaner. Robot vacuum. Floor polisher. Ceiling fan. Dehumidifier. Air conditioner. Electric fan. Tower fan. Space heater. Oil-filled radiator heater. Humidifier. Electric fireplace. Electric blanket. Electric toothbrush. Water flosser. Hair curler. Electric shaver. Beard trimmer. Nose trimmer. Electric massager. Facial steamer. Electric pedicure set. Streaming device. Smart speaker. Record player. Smart thermostat. Smart plug. Smart doorbell. Smart smoke detector. Smart lock. Sewing machine. Smart baby monitor. Food dehydrator. Electric insect killer. Knife sharpener. Embroidery machine. Overlock machine. Smart security camera. Electric can opener. Vacuum sealer. Clothes steamer cabinet. Cotton candy machine. Air purifier. Electric shoe polisher.